friends, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. I am so excited because guess what? Today we are halfway point in our quilt along. Can you imagine we made 12 beautiful diamond designs and we only have 12 more to do and then we can complete this beautiful quilt? Our quilt along for the quilt Tahoe is coming together so nice. And I am so thankful for you because guess what? Without you guys, we would not have a quilt along. You stitching, I'm sharing with you what is happening, what is important, and how can I help you through this process. I think we all benefiting from it and enjoying and having fun. And that's the most important. Just have some fun. Don't be hard on yourself. Keep making diamonds. You will succeed. Keep trimming them. I'm telling you, when you put your quilt together, you're going to be super proud of it. So today, we're working on a diamond 13, and I am so excited for this one. Remember, I'm making my sets of strips just like this, and I'm cutting them following the basic directions in our pattern. Under every diamond you have the directions, which colors, what you need to put together. That's part of the pattern. You're gonna take that from the pattern, make your strip sets, and then cut it. I already cut mine because I was super excited to see you guys, and I have them laid up and ready so I can show you how to put this beautiful diamond together. And it's gonna be simple. We're gonna sew those sets together, then add this one to the bottom, and we got a diamond. How do I do that? I place the pieces right sides together. I match right here to make sure that my diamond transition is perfect. I pin it front, back, and through this, so then I can go ahead and stitch. As soon as I finish stitching, I'm gonna flip this open and make sure I open my seam in the back. Those two beautiful units, I'm gonna sew it together as well, matching up this seam right here, pinning in 3 places here, beginning and the end, and stitch. Now all that I have to do is sew this to this, just like that. Then the last thing I have to do is add the bottom part. You place it right sides together, stitch it, flip it open, and now you have a beautiful, beautiful diamond. So many of you have been making them, and I am so proud of you. Look at this, is diamond 13. All that I need to do is press it. All my seams are nicely open. I'm gonna iron it with an iron now and take my ruler and go ahead, check and trim if needed. The next step is going to keep going and make 7 more of those, so that way I can have enough for the whole quilt. I hope you enjoy diamond 13 with me, and I can't wait to share with you diamond 14. Guess what? In just a few more days, you're gonna have plenty of diamonds to glow and have a beautiful star. Happy quilting, and if you're just joining us in, make sure you visit our website for more information about this wonderful event.